Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing resources and securing a stable connection. Close background apps and force-stop heavy processes because free RAM directly reduces frame drops. Once done, move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired hotspot. Lower latency improves responsiveness. Make sure game mode is on and clear Mobile Legends cache from settings to remove corrupted temp files. These steps prepare the device so graphics and network fixes you apply next actually take effect without wasted effort. You now adjust in-game and network parameters to stabilize frames and latency. Lower graphics to balanced or low and turn off post-processing and shadows so the GPU breathes. This prevents thermal throttling mid-match. If frame drops persist, drop resolution slightly. For network, change to a fast DNS such as 1.1.1.1 and enable quality of service on your router to prioritize game packets. Make sure to test during non-peak hours to verify improvements before re-entering ranked play. You finish by applying maintenance and a final verification pass. Update your OS, graphics drivers, and Mobile Legends. Sometimes the latest patches resolve engine bugs, and if a recent update caused lag, consider rolling back. If corruption persists, reinstall the game after linking your account so you don't lose progress. Restart both router and device to clear network and system states. If problems continue, use an FPS and ping overlay to pinpoint whether the issue is CPU, GPU, or network related, so you troubleshoot precisely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.